YouTube, what's good? It's the OG back again with another video. You new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up. And while you at it, click that little notification bell down there. Well, as you can see, I got a big box on deck. So let's open it up and see what's up in here. Sit tight. I know I've been missing out on my little sneaker unboxing videos, but I try to get you a few in every other week. Every other week. Well, as you can see, it's two. Oh, they did this all right. See, there's two sneakers up in here. I don't want all this over the place because my wife would have a fit, especially these, all over the place. All right, let's do this one first. Let me lower this a tad bit. All right. These are the Adidas Xbox Form Mid. Now I do have a video, maybe two other videos on here that I had caught before these shoes, but not this specific color right here. This is my first time having these, the black joints, and as you can see, it came with some extra laces up in there. Let me grab the other shoe out. Yeah, buddy, he's still smelling DS. All right. Oh yeah, these ain't bad at all. Let me see if I can turn this light out. Hold tight, y'all. Can't get that light to shut off, so I'll try to snap some pictures at the end of this video or something. But yeah, look like it's white, but it's not. That's that 3M banging on there. Also right here, that's 3M right there. And it says Xbox 360. It's not showing up because of the 3M. Got a 3M right there. Yeah. These are dope. Got your green sole of them. Right there you got your little control button. Supposed to be, But yeah, you get the picture. This is the interior. This one says Xbox 360. Overall, they some dope kicks. They mids. I like the mids, the highs, the lows. I like all of the Adidas forms. I ain't gonna say all colorways they come out with, but I like the Adidas forms. All right, let me grab the other box out. Sit tight. Alright, these the white joints. Now they had this shoe. I want to say this is my third time getting this shoe. I done had it sold. But yeah, it came back to the collection. The white ones. Very dope sneaker. I'm gonna keep these this time. So we got the white ones and we got the black ones. And again, that's the 3M banging on there. So love them. Yeah, these are dope, man. Dope, dope, dope. Yeah, I can't get that light. So we got the white ones and we got the black ones. And again, this is my first time having the black ones in the collection. All right, I'd like to thank each and last one of you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up on your way out. It's the OG, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.